Hello my technical friends, this is TestOut Linus Pro and this is lab 8.10.7 and we are going to enable directory browsing. So the sales team uses the /sales directory to store documents related to sales, contact and others. Currently, permissions on the directory only allows the user and group owners to view the content of the directory. So users who are not part of the group owner are unable to list the content of the directory. So as part of a new company policy to increase teamwork, you want to allow all users to be able to see the /sales space directory and list its content. You also want to let all users open any document inside that directory, but you do not want them to make changes to the document. Complete this lab from the terminal. In this lab, your task is to allow the group other to browse the /sales directory, modify the permissions on all files in the /sales directory to allow members of the other groups to view the files, but prohibit them from changing them. So I guess that is all we need to do in this lab. We'll go ahead and start our lab. Alright, so we'll wait for this lab to load. In the meantime, if by the end of this video you find this video to be helpful to you, you might also want to consider joining my professional membership where you have one-on-one video guide on how to solve any of the TestOut lab. Also consider liking and subscribing to the channel so that you have access to the vast number of videos on how to solve any of the TestOut lab at all. Alright, so the lab has loaded, so we'll go ahead and open terminal. And inside the terminal, from the first task, we are going to type in chmod space 0+rx space /sales, and then you press enter, and then you type in chmod space O plus arrow space sales and /c asterisk, and then you press enter, and then we'll go ahead and score lab. So should in case you find this video to be helpful to you, also consider sharing this video on other educational platforms so that other students can benefit. Also like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.